In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a broker to TradingView. In this tutorial, we'll connect a broker to TradingView so you can place trades directly from your charts without juggling multiple platforms. First, open TradingView in your browser. Any modern browser will work. Head to the TradingView website and let the chart load fully so all the interface elements are available. If you already have a chart open, you're in the right place. On the right side of the screen, look for the panel that contains tools like watch lists and other utilities. In that area, find and click Trading Panel. This opens the trading workspace at the bottom of the screen, where all broker integrations live. Think of it as the control center for connecting accounts and managing orders within TradingView. Next, scroll through the list of supported brokers. This list shows the services that TradingView can connect to directly. If you don't see your broker listed, it simply means they aren't currently supported in TradingView's native integrations. In that case, you can continue using charting on TradingView and place orders in your broker's own platform, or check back later as new brokers are added over time. When you find the broker you want to connect, click it to highlight that option. This tells TradingView which connection you're about to set up. You'll notice a short description or status area for each broker, which can be helpful for confirming the right one before you proceed. Click Connect. TradingView will open a secure login window from your broker. This is the official authentication step, and it's designed so your credentials are handled by the broker, not by TradingView. Always make sure the login page looks legitimate and avoid sharing your credentials with anyone. Now, log in using your broker credentials. Enter your username and password exactly as you would on your broker's site. Some brokers may prompt you for an additional verification code as part of their security process. If you see that, complete the prompt to continue. Once you're logged in, TradingView will connect your account to the chart. You should see confirmation in the trading panel, and your order panel will become active. From here, you can place orders, view positions, and manage trades right from your charts. If a login window doesn't appear, your browser may be blocking pop-ups, so check for a small notification at the top of the screen. That's how to connect a broker to TradingView. Subscribe for more simple tutorials.